and a recipe waiting. This is where every delicious adventure begins. Every recipe tells a story, but today, that only reveals its true flavor to those who cook with patience. A strange sketch of mushrooms appeared overnight, along with a single sentence: "Follow the aroma, not the recipe."
The journey began with fresh mushrooms, because every mystery starts with something ordinary. Butter welcomed garlic into the pot, and suddenly the kitchen filled with a familiar scent, almost as if someone invisible had just walked in.
As the mushrooms browned, the diary pages quietly flipped again, without anyone touching them. The diary remained silent. It felt like it was waiting for the next ingredient. I thought I was only making dinner, until an old diary chose me. A forgotten recipe, mysterious footprints, and a secret hidden inside every spoonful. Tiny grains of orzo joined the mushrooms, each one carrying another piece of the hidden story. The warm broth awakened everything, and for just a second, I thought I heard someone whisper my name. Josie. No one was there. Only tiny glowing footprints fading into the morning light. The spinach disappeared into the pot as easily as the mysterious footprints vanished from the floor. The cream transformed everything into comfort. But the diary still hadn't revealed its final secret. One more sentence appeared. The last ingredient cannot be bought. Maybe the missing ingredient wasn't a spice. Maybe it was something much simpler. With every stir, the kitchen felt warmer, and somehow less lonely. The diary closed on its own, leaving behind only a golden feather and one unanswered question. Perhaps the recipe was complete. But the mystery had only just begun, and one unanswered question. Every spoonful carried warmth, and somehow memories I couldn't explain. Behind the diary, I discovered a photograph, and someone in it looked exactly like me. Who was she? And why had she been protecting this recipe for so many years? The very first bite answered nothing, yet somehow explained everything. The diary never promised treasure. It promised a feeling, one that only homemade food can create. Sometimes the greatest mysteries aren't meant to be solved, only shared around the dinner table. As I placed the diary back, a brand new page quietly appeared, waiting for tomorrow's recipe. Maybe every recipe hides a story, and maybe tomorrow the diary will reveal another secret. Until then, our journey continues.